Oh, I didn't see you there. Today we'll be learning about naming alkanes.
Do you want to headbang and chill?
So our first step is to identify the parent chain. Now, what is the parent chain? Well, the parent chain is the longest chain of carbons. Here we have the prefixes for the parent chain. Pause this video and write these down. Welcome back, class. So here are our prefixes once again. Also for 11 it would be deck. Mr. Trong tried to trick us last year with this one. Anyways, for alkanes, we actually have the suffix ane. So if we see a molecule like, well, let's do a propane. Yes, this would be a propane because we can see it has 1, 2, 3 carbons, and that's the longest chain.
So to recap, the first step is to identify the parent chain. Then once you've identified the parent chain, you identify the substituents. The substituents are the groups of carbon coming off of the parent chain. So if you follow me, on this carbon, you can see this is the parent chain, and then these are the groups coming off. And so this is a 1 carbon group, so it's a methyl group. And this is a 2 carbon group, so it's an ethyl group.
So after you identify the substituents, next step is to number the parent chain and identify the locants. So we're going to number each carbon over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then this is a methyl group. So this is named 2-methyl. And this is 3-ethyl. So after you've identified the substituents, you want to make sure that the first substituent is on the lowest number possible. So we're going to start naming this way, 1, 2, so that the first substituent is on the second carbon. Rather than naming this way, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. The first substituent is on the 4th carbon. So you want to name from left to right in this case.
The fourth step in the naming process is to list the substituents by alphabetical order before the parent chain. So this molecule, you have the methyl group and you also have the ethyl group. And so when you're writing the name of the molecule, the ethyl group comes before the methyl group. And so there's 6 carbons, so that means you use prefix hex, and ethyl comes before methyl. So it would be 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, in addition to the substituents you've already learned, you must write down these special cases. Okay, so pause the video, write these down in your notes. When listing the substituents in alphabetical order, ignore prefixes except iso and isopropyl.
Started.